Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the current support and resistance levels for the coming week. So I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the current trend of the price action in daily time frame, previously it was continuously trading on a bearish trend, taking resistance on this resistance line over here, and after testing the support level of 1618 or 1615, we have noticed a price action to break this resistance line and to trend on a bullish side retracement. And we know from the past price action that this range between 1800 to 1786 is acting as a current resistance level. We have noticed a price action to test this resistance level of 1785 and to bounce back on a bearish side retracement. But on the bearish side also, we have noticed a price action to take support at this support level of 1728 and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Although the current trend of the price action looks to be on a bearish trend, we have again noticed the price action to take support at this support level and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. Let us draw a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action in daily time frame. So here I have drawn a bullish channel pattern where we have noticed a price action to take support on this resistance line or the support line and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And again now we are noticing the price action to take resistance on this resistance line, and on the bearish side also we have noticed a price action to take support on the support line of the bullish channel pattern. This resistance line is currently acting as a support line for the present price action. So the current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern, but still we have a very strong resistance level, and if the price action wants to trend on the bearish side, it has to break this trend line or the support line in order to restart its bearish side retracement. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame, and I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this support level of 1729 in order to freshly enter into the bearish side trade, and next level of support is going to be around 1706, 1787, 1771, 1750 and 1618. And on the bullish side, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1760, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1786 to 1800. This is a very strong resistance zone. It has to break this resistance zone in order to continue a bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now, and from the daily time frame we know that the current price action is trading between a bullish channel pattern, this resistance line and the support line. And for the 4 hours time frame, I would recommend you to draw a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action. And currently we are noticing the price action to struggle to break this resistance level of 1760. So if the price action fails to break this resistance level, wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line, and next level of support is going to be around 1729. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1760, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish side retracement, and next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1786. But still you can notice that the current price action is consolidating within this support level of 1729 and resistance level of 1786 on a sideways momentum. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed the price action to form a double bottom pattern, and it has also broken this neckline of the double bottom pattern and tested this resistance level of 1759, and currently it has bounced back from this resistance level and has taken support on the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line, which is also the neck level of the double bottom pattern. So if the price action breaks this neck level, we can expect a further continuation or a trend reversal on the bearish side, and if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1759, it will be the continuation of the bullish side retracement. and it will be completing a bigger double bottom pattern. So the target is going to be around 1786. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating or trading within a higher time frame support level of 1728 to resistance level of 1800. So the ranges are very narrow in hourly time frame also. Presently we are noticing the price action to take support around the support level of 1751, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be around 1740, 1728 and 1726. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1759, next level of resistance is going to be around 1766, 1777 and 1791. And this range between 1786 to 1800 is acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in hourly time frame also. So for the hourly time frame also, I would recommend you to draw a resistance line, and as long as the price action is trading within this resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue based on the breakout, whether it is going to be a bullish side breakout or on the bearish side breakout. We can expect a directional momentum in hourly time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also, we are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this resistance line from the hourly time frame and the support line from the 4-hour time frame. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1754 and resistance level of 1759. And if the price action gives a breakout from this trend line or the support line, next level of support is going to be around 1746, 1740, 1734 and 1728 from the higher time frame. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1759, next level of resistance is going to be around 1763, 1767, 1772 and 1780. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this trend line, either on the bullish side or on the bearish side, to take a directional trade in 30 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.